Okay, guys, welcome to another video on the weekly pre-market analysis. Although I haven't been dropping any video recently due to some thing that came up and I had to work on it. But now I'm back. So on this video, we'll be talking about the weekly pre-market analysis for this week, from 23rd of March, July to 29th of March. So we can see here on the weekly time frame here, price created an FVG here. So for this week, I'm actually expecting price to trade into this weekly FVG. But before that, it's essential to know where price is coming from and before we could know where price might be heading to. So from here, we could see that price is coming from this weekly order block to this upside. Price traded into this weekly order block, went up, created an FVG here, which price traded into it before taking out this liquidity here and taking out the buy side liquidity above. Then price retraced last week, although we are still bullish on Euro USD, but price is still retracing. So I'm expecting price to trade into this weekly FVG to grab momentum here or volume here. Then we could actually take out this drawn liquidity here and then possibly the monthly order block. So before that, this is the weekly range from after price traded into this FVG here. Price created a swing low here, then putting it at the high here. So this becomes our price leg for this week. So this is my invalidation point. This place I marked X is my invalidation point to this high. And price, this is the equilibrium point. 1.10570 is the equilibrium of the recent price leg. So I'm actually expecting price to trade into this equilibrium and possibly into discount. From this equilibrium point to this place I marked X is the discount, and from here to here is premium. And it's best to buy at the discount as sell at premium. So I'm actually expecting price to trade into this discount level, and we'll be taking price up. And also, let's go to the monthly time frame here. We can actually see after this drawn liquidity is taken out, I will be expecting price to possibly trade into this monthly order block and possibly into this 3 months FVG. So on the daily time frame here, on Euro USD, on the daily time frame, we could actually see price is still coming down. So price might just feel this FVG come down, grab momentum here and possibly start going up, taking out this drawn liquidity and then this monthly order block. But then we can actually see that on the weekly order block, there is an FVG, daily FVG here. We call it an OBIM, that is order block plus imbalance, which is a very, very good liquidity zone that price might be drawing into before it retraces up. But then we will be flexible on these trades, but I'm actually expecting this week and possibly next week to move swiftly. Price is giving a very good hand that it will go very well. So I'm expecting price to trade into this discount level. But my main point is this equilibrium. So expecting price to trade into this equilibrium and then into this discount, then we will then take it up to the monthly order block. So on the DXY, let's check the DXY. DXY most times it correlates with Euro USD mostly 99% of the time. So also on the DXY, we could actually see that price is coming from this weekly order block here. Price is coming from this weekly order block here. Price went down, created an FVG, filled it, and took out this sell side liquidity here. So I'm actually expecting price to trade into this FVG, weekly FVG here. Then possibly we'll be trading into this runaway gap. It's also an FVG, but then this this leg here couldn't fill it, so we call it a runaway gap, whereby it becomes open. Then we'll be expecting price in future to return into it. So this is our drawn liquidity on DXY. Then if price should trade into here, then this becomes our drawn liquidity after price has taken out this swing low. So on DXY, I'm actually bullish until I see a pattern or a BMX to sell. But overall, I'm bearish on dollar, that is the XY, But then for this week, I'm expecting price to trade into this FVG. So let's go to the daily time frame. We could actually see possible sort of FVGs here. There is also an FVG here. So for this is our invalidation point on DXY. This is our invalidation point. Sorry, this is here. Okay. So this is our invalidation point on DXY. So I'm actually expecting price to trade into this place, then possibly take out this swing low formed here. So let's just take something on the 4-hour time frame. You actually see how price has been respecting, price went up, traded into. Let's use the Eurusd to check this on the 4-hour. After price took out this buy side liquidity, price respected this 4-hour order block here, came back, respected this 4-hour order block. Then on Friday, price traded into this weekly, this 4-hour FVG, then continue going down. So I'm expecting this place to be respected, this 4-hour order block here to be respected, this high to be respected, and possibly price trading into this equilibrium here. Then from here, if we see any BMX on the higher time frame, which is nothing below the 4-hour time frame, we will change our bias to bullish, although we are overall bullish on Euro USD. So this is my analysis for the week. So let me just write it down here. Right, okay. Let me take a snapshot. Okay, I actually wanted to show us how I do my journaling too, just for the sake of learning. So here, for this week, I'm bearish until business to the upside. Daily time frame. Bearish too. That is for Euro USD. Okay, so let's just take a snapshot. Let's go to the monthly time frame. Let's start from there. So first, I take my monthly time frame snapshot. I actually use Notion.xo. You could actually use Notion.xo too. If you don't want to pay for any premium, you could actually use Notion.xo, then create your own space and use any template of your choice to create your own space for journaling. So let's just go. This is Notion, my space. So on my space, I have the weekly IRL. This is where I usually put my weekly pre-market analysis. This is my daily trades. This is my backtesting data. This is my journal. And then this is my weekly recap. Every week, I do my recap to see how price, how the market went. So on the weekly time, IOF, going to Euro USD. So this for this week. So I'll just drag it and put it here. So let's go to the weekly time frame. Let's make sure we get all of this. Take another snapshots. Then go to the daily time frame. Take another snapshot. We drag it under. Then the last 4-hour time frame for the pre-market analysis. Take a snapshot. So this is it for my journaling on my weekly IOF. Maybe tomorrow morning I'll also come back here to check this out. So if you have from this picture, you can actually come here and put your comments. Let us say from the monthly time frame. Setting price. Okay. Then on the weekly time frame, setting price. Trade. Okay, so that's it. So let's just go to, so this is my journal for the weekly IOF, my pre-market analysis. So let's just go to the XY. Let me show you how I do this. Go to the XY, this from 23rd. This is a page, okay? Let me just go back here. So you click here. You can see this command, click it, select page, then put the title. I usually use the date as the title. So this for the XY. Let's go back here. On the weekly, stop on the weekly time from the XY. Okay, so drag it here. So this is my analysis. So this is how I also journal my weekly IOF. I also have other of my IOF here. Let's just check other ones. So this for last week. This is my IOF for last week and others. So this is my analysis for this week. Like I said, I'm expecting the XY to trade into this FVG, then we'll be targeting it down. So till we see a BMX, I'm bullish on the XY, and till I see a BMX, I'm bearish on Euro USD. Although the bearish is just for retracement, not that it is overall bearish. I'm overall bullish on Euro USD, but for the retracement and for price to grab momentum before it starts going up again. So I'll be waiting for, if price should trade into this equilibrium or even trade into this FVG here, I will be expecting a BMS. I'll be flexible on expecting a BMS on the higher time frame, possibly nothing below the 4-hour time frame. Once I see a BMX, I'll be taking it up. And also, I kind of saw a very nice pattern on US 100. So I'll be doing another separate video to show us a very good opportunity I saw on the US 100. So we could be taking advantage of it this coming week or possibly this week or next week. So that's my analysis for today. So I talk to you guys next time. Bye for now.